In the day's other news, the U.S. Justice Department declined to pursue criminal contempt charges against Attorney General Barr and Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross. Democrats in the House of Representatives had voted to cite them for contempt for refusing to turn documents on adding a citizenship question to the census. The Justice Department says that act did not constitute a crime. A federal judge in Washington, D.C. refused today to block new restrictions on those seeking legal asylum at the southern border while a court challenge plays out. The ruling permits the Trump administration to require that migrants seek asylum in countries they pass through before reaching the U.S. It is aimed at stopping the surge of migrants from Central America. In Britain, Boris Johnson took over as the United Kingdom's Prime Minister today. He succeeds Theresa May, who appeared before Parliament a final time as Prime Minister and Conservative Party leader. Later, she spoke outside her official residence.
I'm about to leave Downing Street, but I'm proud to continue as the Member of Parliament for Maidenhead. I will continue to do all I can to serve the national interest and play my part in making our United Kingdom a great country with a great future, a country that truly works for everyone.
As May departed, crowds waved European Union flags, marking her failed attempts to reach a Brexit deal with the bloc. Then Johnson, a Brexit advocate, arrived at 10 Downing, saying his leadership will put things right.
After 3 years of unfounded self-doubt, it is time to change the record, to recover our natural and historic role as an enterprising, outward-looking and truly global Britain. No one in the last few centuries has succeeded in betting against the pluck and nerve and ambition of this country.
The new Prime Minister has vowed to deliver Brexit by Halloween, with or without an EU deal. There is word that North Korea has carried out a new weapons test. South Korea's military says the North fired at least 2 projectiles early Thursday, about 270 miles across the Sea of Japan. It is the first such incident since North Korea's leader Kim Jong-un met with President Trump at the boundary between the two Koreas last month. Back in this evening, President Trump vetoed a congressional resolution that would have barred some arms sales to Saudi Arabia. It passed both House and Senate, but not with a veto-proof majority. In May, the White House announced that it would invoke emergency authority to push through $8 billion worth of sales. In this country, Facebook will pay $5 billion in a sweeping settlement with the Federal Trade Commission involving privacy violations. Today's announcement is the FTC's largest penalty ever for a tech company. Facebook did not admit any wrongdoing, but it will face a slew of new requirements. Those include increased transparency and oversight by an independent privacy committee. And on Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 79 points to close at 27,270. The Nasdaq rose 70 points to a new record close, and the S&P 500 added 14, also finishing at a record close.